Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and this video is about 5 simple, inexpensive things that you can give your child's teacher. It's one more week before the end of the school year, and I'm sure your child or you would like to offer the teacher maybe a small token of thanks. I think these are great ideas to come up with. They're inexpensive. I'm going to tell you where I got them, and this is 5 great gift ideas for the end of the year for your child's teacher. So stay tuned. The first one I have, guys, is gift cards. You can never go wrong with gift cards from a coffee shop for the teacher. Teachers, I find, for some reason, love to receive gift cards. Well, we don't know if they drink coffee or tea, so this is why gift cards can be inexpensive. They can be a great gift idea. Now, do not go above $5. I think $5 to buy a cup of coffee is a good idea for a teacher, and the teacher will appreciate getting a gift card from your child to say thank you. And I think a $5 gift certificate or a gift card from Walmart, from Starbucks, from Tim Hortons is a great gift idea. So number 2, another great gift idea to give your child's teacher for the end of the year gift is also maybe a coffee cup filled with supplies. So we have some body lotion you can stick in here. The teacher would love this. It's the time of the year, anyways, it's the season, and I'm sure he or she can use this near the pool. Okay, so we got shampoo, we got conditioner, we got some calming gel in case the teacher gets a sunburn or something. We got some more hand sanitizer and some conditioner. And I mean, this would be a great gift idea. If I received this as a gift, I would be so appreciative. Okay, and it's in a coffee cup, guys. This coffee cup also got at the thrift shop, and these small containers I got some from the local drugstore, and also from the thrift shop. So if you go, and this whole combination only costs me $3. So all the gifts I'm showing you is under $5. Great gift idea for your child's teacher. Number 3, guys, another great gift idea for your child's and teacher for the end of the year gift is also maybe a puzzle and a fancy pen. The dollar stores offer these nice pens. They're erasable pens. A great gift idea for a teacher. And also puzzle, Sudoku code puzzle book is a great gift idea. And I would throw in a gift card, maybe a coffee shop gift card, guys, so that the teacher can go for a walk, stop at the coffee shop, grab the puzzles, do some puzzles at the coffee shop while sipping a cup of coffee. This also, guys, this gift also was only $2 for the coffee card, and the book was 99 cents, and the pen was $1.25. So another great idea, a puzzle, a gift card, and a pen is a great gift for end of the year gift for a child's teacher. Okay, don't go overboard with this gift giving, guys. The teacher will appreciate anything that they get. As I said before, they love gift cards. They love stuff that they can help them to relax. It's the end of the year. I'm sure they did a great job, and this is a great gift idea. Okay, so let's go to number 4. We're almost there. Number 4 gift, simple gifts for a teacher for the end of the year, guys, is also just a gift bag, just a small gift bag. I'm sure you have one hanging around the house somewhere. And in this gift bag, guys, I just say just add some random stuff that you think the teacher would like. So this is a 2020 planner. So that's a great idea. And just start adding stuff in that you think the teacher likes. Some Kleenex, right? Useful stuff though, guys, okay? Whiteboard markers, you can just throw in here. Make it nice and pretty though, right? So you just add in random stuff in there that you think the teacher would like. These fancy pens from the dollar store. I would toss in maybe a candle so that you can think relaxation, and some hand sanitizer is also a great idea to put in. I would also put in a permanent marker. As I said, guys, random stuff you can just add in, and a highlighter maybe so the teacher can use. And I'm sure the teacher would find it fun to go through it to say, oh, look what little Johnny brought me today, and let's see what's inside it. I mean, you know, make it nice and fancy, guys. Just random stuff put in there. And this alone, guys, costs less than $5, right? And maybe a handmade card to say thank you. You have been wonderful. This is just a great card that my friend gave me one year, and I have a bunch of them. I'll just stick it in, write thank you on it, and stick them in. And that's just one of the great ideas for your child's teacher for the end of the year gift, right? That's it, just random stuff in a gift bag. I'm sure, as I said, you have a gift bag hanging around the house. And that's it. They bring this to the teacher, and the teacher will be very appreciative. Okay, my friends, number 5 gift, inexpensive gift for the teacher, for the end of the year gift for the teacher. Now, wouldn't you like to receive like a nice plant in a decorative cup? Now, I know for sure that your child would know a little bit of something about the teacher, know if the teacher likes dog. So then I would go to the thrift shop, find a cup with animals on it, maybe dogs, and put a nice little spider plant in there. These spider plants does not need too much care, not too much watering, low light. So this would be a great idea to put a plant in a cup, a decorative cup. Maybe the cup has something that the teacher might like. Maybe the teacher, as I said, the teacher is into dogs. It would be a great idea to give that. Now this gift costs absolutely maybe $1, guys, because I got the plant from somebody's. I just clipped a piece of the plant from somebody's stash, and I took it. Now with this, guys, I would probably add also maybe a planner as well. Keep up with the theme of dogs. I would also add maybe a decorative pen, right? So the teacher can write it. And this is a great gift idea. Just a coffee cup, a decorative cup with a nice plant, a planner, and a decorative pen. And this is a great gift idea. All these that I showed you guys cost less than $5 for this gift. It's just a great idea, and I'm sure the teacher will be appreciative, right? And you don't have to use cups like it. You can use unusual cups to plant in. And how about this one? If you know that, if the child knows that the teacher is into stamp collecting, it's a great idea to go to the thrift shop, see if you can find a coffee cup with stamps on it, and put your plant in it hand it to the teacher. I'm sure the teacher will be appreciative of this. So imagine you knowing that your teacher always wear his cowboy boots to, or her cowboy boots to school. This would be a great gift idea to maybe put the plant into an unusual shape. This one is a boot that I found at the thrift shop for only $1.99, and as I said, the plant was free. So imagine receiving this as a gift. They can keep this on their desk all year around. So this is another great gift idea, guys. So there you go, 5 great gift ideas to give your child's teacher for the end of the year gift. Thank you for watching. Don't forget that everyone wonders is lost, and always try to strive for something better.